You know, sometimes you start the day off and you're like, yo, it's going to be a, you know what I mean, not too stressful type day. But anytime you're working on these older vehicles, you see these layers of rust. You know, you never know. So we're replacing the brake hose on this BMW 1997 318i. And man, let me tell you, I am breaking this thing loose. So this is a line wrench. I use it in situations like these, right? And then I have my adjustable under here. So right, and what? You see that? That thing not 7 or 11, not moving. This should turn so you can get this out. This turns that come out, that not moving. So before I stress it any further and then in turn now strip this off, we're not doing that today. But, you know what we're doing today? Let me show you. Boom, this is what we're doing today. Yeah, that's how we are doing today. Yeah, watch this now. You see, no, this is tight quarters now, you know. This is tight spaces. So you have to, you know what you're doing. This is plastic over here. This metal, but we're not heating anything up, so. Have to be careful here, so. See how fast I'm moving my hand? Woo, boy! Just a little bit of heat. We don't want to burn the line. Just heat up the nut. Woo, boy! I think that might be enough, you know. Think that might be enough. It's small. Give it a few moments, guys. I know it's complaining. Now, replacing this, we're going to be doing a brake fluid bleed and flush after this. So here we go. What we got? Yes. I was almost ready to give up, you know. Yes. Just a little bit. See? Yeah. See? Yeah. Just a little bit. Oh. Yeah, so that ready. So we crack that loose. So what I'm going to do now is get the other caliper ready. But yeah, man, thanks for watching. Just wanted to share that with you. Have a nice day. Bless you. And don't forget to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel.